Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig for you guys, and it came in this box, but I'll tell you in a minute the name of the company that the wig is from. In this box I got this little mesh bag that contains a few stuff that I could use for my wig. They also sent me this pink silk bag to store my wig in when I'm not wearing it, and this is the name of the company where the wig is from, Sunber. And as usual, they sent me a stocking cap because you know I'll be using these things all the time. This is the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today. It's their curly hair, and it comes with its own little baby hair, and it also definitely looks pre-plucked. The curls are really nice and soft, but I'm definitely going to be using some water and leave-in conditioner to moisturize it to my liking. The lace isn't pre-bleached, so I'm going to have to do that on my own. On the inside, it has 2 clips on the side and definitely one in the back to help to secure your hair on. It also have a lace in the back, which I'm going to cut off. I started to braid my hair off camera, and now I have the last one to go, so I thought I'll just do it on camera for you guys. But halfway through it, my memory card was full, so I did not get all of it on camera like I wanted to. Now I came back on to show you guys something else with the wig. If you look inside, you see how it gathers going down, and this will make it very stretchable. So this is something that I really like about this wig. So if my head is small, it will fit. If my head is a little bit bigger, it will fit. It will definitely stretch out, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put it on my head and show you guys how much it stretches on me. So here I'm pulling it down on my head as far as I can, and it's still secure all the way in the back, and it's all the way down to my nose. I'm also gonna be turning around to show you guys that it's secure in the back all the way down, and it's stretched that far down to my nose. So if you have a bigger head than me, definitely know that this wig is gonna fit you. Since the wig isn't pre-bleached, I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation onto the lace, and I'm also gonna be adding some onto the wig cap that I'm wearing. Now I have it customized how I want it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. This is alcohol I'm using to clean the area where the lace is gonna go on. To secure my wig on today, I'm gonna be using my Got to Be Glued Free Spray. To secure it on today, I'm only gonna be spraying it on one time, and then I'm gonna put the lace down and dry it with my blow dryer. As for the sides, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Now with my scissors, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm gonna be cutting it as close to the hairline as possible, making sure not to cut none of the hair off. For any lifting around the edges, I'm gonna be using my Got2b glue gel to hold them down. As you can see, I take a little bit on the tail of my comb and I'm just gonna go around the edges with it and lay those little pieces down, and soon you're gonna see it goes from looking whitish to very clear where you can barely notice it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a side parting because I feel like I'm always doing middle parts, so why not switch it up today? I'm gonna go ahead and make some edges using my foam wrap lotion from BTL. As you guys already know, I don't cut my baby hair when I do them, and this is for, you know, personal preferences because I feel like every time I'm gonna go wear my wig, I shouldn't have to deal with no baby hair, you know what I'm saying? So if it works this way for me, this is what I'm gonna do. If it doesn't work for you this way, guys, just go ahead and cut them and, you know, snatch them how you want to. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the mousse again and brush in the side of the hair and have it lay nice and flat against those baby hair. I'm putting it up in a bun because I want to go ahead and tie the edges down, and I don't want no hair in my way when I do so. Now I'm gonna let my hair down and get it nice and pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some water on it, some leave-in conditioner, because why not, and get it nice and moisturized and looking snatched. Y'all know I like to use my Pantene Hydrating Buttercream, and this definitely helps to give the hair more moisture than just the water alone. What I'm doing here is I'm adding some foundation on my parting to brighten it up a little bit more, make it look more natural. And now, y'all, I'm gonna go do my makeup and I'll be back with the finished look. This is it, y'all. What do y'all think? I am so in love. I think curly hair is my thing now. This hair is fire. Do y'all hear me? This hair is fire. This hair got me going. I have to say I'm very impressed, and the quality definitely exceeded my expectation. But I tell you, man, if you not get this wig, then what y'all do? Make sure to you go on them website, go look for the wig and buy it, okay? Again, this wig is from Sunber Wig. Definitely check them out, and use my discount code to get some money off. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video, because I'm always posting. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.